Fertilome Weed Out mixing instructions. Fertilome Weed Out is a concentrated liquid broadleaf weed killer for direct application to common lawn turf grasses. Containing the post-emergent herbicide Trimec, Weed Out targets weeds which are already sprouting and should be used only on established lawns. Weed Out is effective against 200 broadleaf weeds including dandelion, spurge, chickweed, dollarweed, clover, wild onion and ground ivy. Things you'll need: Fertilome Weed Out concentrate, 1 gallon mixing container, measuring cup, hose and sprayer, hose. Mixing Fertilome Weed Out. Identify the turf grass in your lawn. Proper dilution of Fertilome Weed Out depends upon the grass variety. Mix Fertilome Weed Out to treat 250 square feet of St. Augustine grass or centipede grass with a hose and sprayer by adding half an ounce of Fertilome Weed Out concentrate to 1 gallon of water. Mix Fertilome Weed Out to treat 250 square feet of Bermuda grass, buffalo grass or bent grass with a hose and sprayer by adding 2/3 of an ounce Fertilome Weed Out concentrate to 1 gallon of water. Mix Fertilome Weed Out to treat 250 square feet of bluegrass, zoysia grass or fescue with a hose and sprayer by adding 2/3 to 1 ounce of Fertilome Weed Out concentrate to 1 gallon of water. Consult the product's label instructions for treating larger areas. Tips warnings. Spray your yard with Fertilome when emerging weeds are visible. Springtime is best, when weeds are fast-growing and most susceptible to herbicides. Spray in the fall for late emerging weeds. Do not treat your lawn with Fertilome more than twice per year.